NIAT at Joy University right here in Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. I'm Pooja and I'll be walking you through the Joy University campus. This is not just a campus tour, but it gives you a look at how your next 4 years are going to be in this beautiful campus. It features well-designed, air-conditioned smart classrooms equipped with modern technology that support collaboration and project-based learning. Beyond the classrooms, the campus also has a large auditorium and multiple conference halls. These spaces host tech talks, guest sessions, workshops, and major campus events that include mentors from large companies like Google, Amazon, Cred, and Flipkart, sharing their experiences and guiding the students. This is where real stories are shared, ideas are exchanged, and students find inspiration to think bigger. After a few hours of learning, everyone needs a break. That's where the open spaces and sports facilities come in, offering options like cricket, football, basketball, and volleyball, indoor games like chess, table tennis, snooker, and badminton. Some play competitively, while others come here just to unwind. Either way, it's a great method to take a break from the daily routines and bring a balance to the day. And then let's take a look at the labs. Here you get to test ideas, fix what's wrong, collaborate with each other, and solve problems that mirror the industry challenges. Building on that, NIAT provides hands-on experience in areas such as robotics, AI, and cutting-edge technologies through practical, application-driven projects. After spending hours in the labs, the students step out to hang out in the canteen where they can grab food, have a coffee, and spend few minutes of chatting before the next session. When it's time to focus deeply, the libraries and the quiet rooms are where the students head to. Whether it's exam preparation or planning for a project, this space is all about clarity and concentration. Campus life here definitely goes beyond academics. There's a gym to stay active, a departmental store for daily essentials, and lifestyle amenities that makes day-to-day campus life very convenient and comfortable. Of course, campus life is not just about learning. Your health and well-being matter too. This campus has a healthcare room that can support you whenever you need medical attention or care. For students staying on campus, hostel is more than just a place of stay. It's a place where the day slows down and a place to unwind and connect with people who quickly feels like family. There's also a mess that makes everyday meals very easy and gives students a chance to sit together, talk, and reconnect after long days. So that brings us to the end of our walkthrough of NIAT at Joy University. It's a campus where innovation, learning, and everyday life of students blend seamlessly. If you're looking for a place that supports both your goals and your lifestyle, this is where your journey begins.